Mechatronics is, the best way to describe it, is a little taste of every type of engineering. So we cover a wide range of engineering fields, so that way students can be exposed to all different types. So we cover things like electrical, mechanical, control systems engineering, robotics, hydraulics, pneumatics, machining.
So a student taking mechatronics, number one, they're going to gain some technical skills in a variety of areas. All those pieces, electrical, mechanical, hydraulics, pneumatics, robotics, a little bit of CAD work. So they're going to gain some actual real skills that they can take out of the classroom, either directly into industry or into some additional schooling, college if they choose to do so. In addition to that, I think the sheer exposure to all of those engineering disciplines helps a student to decide what they may want to do, what they like, what they don't like, what they want to learn more about, what they think maybe that's okay, I don't need to take that any further, any more in depth.
I would say mechatronics is incredibly hands-on. We spend so much of our time out here in the shop working on things, whether it be the electrical trainers that we have or the Jeep that's right here, which is where I spend most of my time. Each student always has some hands-on thing to be working on. Nobody just stands around and does nothing.
My favorite thing about mechatronics is, I'd have to say, not just the classmates, but I'd say kind of all the team building skills that we can acquire during this class.
We do have academic portions, but we try to integrate those academics with the mechatronics curriculum, and then we offer up as many hands-on opportunities to learn the material as we can, both with trainers that incorporate a learning management system that is computer-based. Those allow you to apply those basic fundamentals in a hands-on capacity, but we also do project-based learning where students get to build or make their own robotics platforms or engineering platforms where they can incorporate all those pieces in a hands-on capacity.
Mechatronics is a very hands-on class. We learn from tutorials earlier in the year for electrical engineering, and then immediately went to our trainers to get hands-on training on how to apply those concepts.
My plan is to go and get my automotive engineering degree because I love working with engines and I love working with small equipment. However, I'd like to take my experience with working with that stuff and my knowledge of the engineering field, and I'd like to combine both those together.
I plan on in the future going into an engineering field, so everything that I've learned from this class will directly apply to pretty much all of the mechanical engineering aspects that a college would have, like Michigan Tech, which is where I hope to go. And I think a lot of these skills that I've learned will directly transfer and help me out.
If you're thinking about taking mechatronics, I would highly encourage you to do so. It is a very informative and very hands-on class for anyone who's interested in any of the general principles of engineering.
Mechatronics is a great place to go. It's definitely one of those areas that is going to be interesting. You're going to get a taste of almost all your engineering fields all in one class.
Absolutely. Take the class, do everything this class has to offer. There are so many things you can learn and there are so many things that you can do. There's always a project, there's always something to appreciate in the work that you're putting in, because once you see a project completed and actually working, the satisfaction is not like any other class.